Hi, it's me, Kim Thoa. In this tutorial, we're going to paint a field of very loose poppies using very simple strokes. This is a great exercise for beginners to get a hang of their brush strokes. Notice I'm moving my brush very quickly, and the key is to be very loose and quick. You can also practice this technique by painting straight lines, but I think painting poppies would be more fun and interesting. So now we're gonna continue to add more poppies using this technique. Here I'm using more water and less pigment to create the illusion that the flower is further away. Now I'm going to add the pollens to the flowers. I like to do this when the paint is semi-dry, so there's not too much bleeding. Oops, that thick stroke was actually an accident. It wasn't part of the plan. But that's why I love going with the flow so much. Sometimes the biggest mistake happens to be the best thing for the painting. You can create a very nice painting with very basic and simple strokes. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Happy painting! Bye!